Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our Auto Fogs mod on 2015 to 2022 Chevy Colorados and GMC Canyons. Let's get into it.
Boost Auto's Auto Fog mod seamlessly integrates your fog lights into your automatic headlight system. This mod will seamlessly work with your automatic headlight system, allowing your fog lights to turn on when your automatic headlights turn on. That means your fog lights will turn on and remain on whenever your park lights or headlights are turned on, without the need to manually trigger them each time. This is a great way to enhance visibility and the overall look of your build every time you're on the road. Just a quick note before we get into the install. The following procedures for 2015 to 2022 GMC Canyon and Chevy Colorado trucks. If your truck has a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
To assist in the installation, move your driver's seat all the way back. Starting on the driver's side of the vehicle, we're going to disconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10mm socket.
For this install, we're going to be tapping into the BCM, which is located underneath the driver's side dash below the steering wheel.
To make this process a little bit easier and to give us better access to the BCM, we're going to remove the knee bolster panel. We've got two 7mm bolts we need to remove first. One here and one here. Now pull down on the knee bolster and detach the clips that are holding it in place. Now that the knee bolster is detached, we've got these two electrical connectors that we need to remove. Release the red retaining tabs and then push down on the connector tab to remove them. The only thing that's holding the knee bolster in place now is the hood latch cable. In order to remove that, push down on this middle tab right here. With better access to the BCM, we are now going to remove connector X5, or the third connector from the bottom, or the brown connector from the BCM. Pushing down on the tab, pull back. To give us better access to the wires, cut back the tape ever so slightly.
Flipping the connector over, with the tab facing up, the first pin we are going to tab to is pin 13. Pin 13 is in the third row from the bottom, second slot from the right. Now go ahead and install a red T-tap from your kit onto this wire. Again, with the tab facing up, the next pin we are going to tap to is pin 22. Pin 22 is in the bottom row, second slot from the left. Now go ahead and install a red T-tap from your kit onto this wire.
Now we're going to take our provided jumper harness. We're going to start with the side with the blue strip. We're going to connect this to pin 13. Now connect the side with the black strip onto pin 22.
You can now plug the connector back into the BCM.
Now we'll reconnect the hood latch cable to the knee bolster. Now we'll reconnect the two electrical connectors that we disconnected.
Make sure to push the red locking tab back into place.
Now we can reattach the knee bolster. There are 7 clips that we need to push in. Now we'll reattach our 7mm bolts. Finally, we'll reconnect the negative battery terminal. So that about wraps it up for the installation of our Auto Fogs mod on 2015 to 2022 Chevy Colorados and GMC Canyons. If you're a fan of that mod, head on over to boostauto.com to check out all the other products we have to offer for your build today. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We are proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.